Hey everybody, Mike Serwinski with MetaLogic Design. Do you remember when Google got rid of expanded text ads and forced everybody to only use responsive with 15 different headlines, and you can't really have control of which headline you want to show first? Because if you pin it, Google's not going to like it and you're going to get a bad score and they're not going to show it as often. I have a great hack that you can use that uses site links that will allow you to have a little bit more control of some of the messaging you want in your ads. Let's get started. A lot of people send traffic to their website and not a specific landing page, which in and of itself is a mistake. But let's say you want to send people to one page and you want to set up site links. Most people will put some generic site links up there like contact us or testimonials. Now, we can use site links to put some of those benefit statements in our ads that will show whenever the site links show. Okay, but how do we do it if they're all going to one page? Because you can't use the same link in site links because Google will flag it. So what you want to do right here is you add a hashtag and then you put whatever keyword you want. It doesn't matter. Just put something different from the other one and hit save. Now, if you look for huge cost savings, same thing. It goes to the same landing page, but it has a hashtag savings. And Google doesn't flag it because it's a different link. I can do the same for this. See, it takes you to the same landing page, but it says green year-round, low maintenance. Same thing. They all go to the same page. We're just telling Google that it's a different link because we have the hashtag symbol. Okay? So this is a great way for you to showcase the benefits of your services through site links, and it gives you some control. So, a little bit of a site link hack that I think is very beneficial, and it's helped a lot of our campaigns. I hope you use this tactic moving forward, and if you like this content, please subscribe, like the video, write us a comment, and we hope to see you in the next video. Good luck out there.